How to keep the shower room clean is easy. Only need to pay attention these 3 points in daily life. The surface life of the shower room can be longer, so let me tell you. The first is glasses maintenance. Regularly use the soft clothes with the neutral cleaner to wipe the glasses to prevent the dirty stick in the glasses for a long time and keep it beauty. Just need to remember that don't use as cleaner, buffing compound, nylon brown, adhesive cloth or sandpaper to clean it. The second is stainless steel frame maintenance. Don't use the sharp objects or strong corrosives as to wipe the surface. It will let the metal surface be hurt. My opinion is use the water or the dry towel to wipe the surface. It will keep the frame lasting bright. The third is about the hardware maintenance. In the daily use, the pulley must be taken good care of. You can see the pulley, just like this. Regular clean the slide grate, pulleys, slide block. Let the movable door have a good sliding. If you want to know more, follow up. See you next time. Bye bye.